All right, today I have a Breville Nespresso machine. I'm going to show you how to make it. Right here is an espresso capsule. Here's my Breville machine. What I'm going to do first is fill the Breville Nespresso machine with water. Here goes the compartment back here. I'm just going to pour water in there, make sure there's enough to make my Nespresso. After I've done that, I'm going to get my cup. And what I like to do is I go ahead and put the sugar and cream in there first. Go ahead and put the sugar and cream in here first. That way it dissolves already. So put that in there, this right here. I'm not going to put this in here, it contains milk. I'm trying to stay away from milk. But I have the sugar in there. Maybe add, what is this, Splendid. I'm not going to add that. So I have organic sugar. Pour the sugar in here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my cup into place. Then I'm going to see the flavor that I want. Pick the flavor. There's a dark roast right here. And that's decaf. Voluto. You get this one right here. First turn it on. Go ahead and open it up first. I'm going to put my capsule in. See how I'll put it in. Then I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to make the selection for a small espresso cup. And going to get down low so we can see this in action. As soon as it starts right here, it's heating up right now, but in a moment, it's going to, there it goes right here. It's getting close, so you can see this. Look at that. Small cup. There you have it. Now, if I wanted it larger, I could have just pressed the top one. It's actually putting in more right here from out of the same cup. So I'm getting a little bit more action out of the same cup. Doing it that way. It's going to keep on going. A lot of flavor going on. See the froth at the top right here? Looks pretty cool. All right, it should stop sometime soon. The larger one, and I'm going to pull this off right here. So the small one was for the espresso. The larger one is for a full cup of coffee. As you can see that it's continuously going right here. And I don't know when it's going to stop. So the larger cup is what I use for an American type of coffee, and this is for espresso. You press right there. And this button right here is for if you just want tea, okay? So, or just hot water. I'm gonna go put that on there really quickly. Watch this. I'm gonna press this one. And it's just spewing out hot water right here. If I press it again, I can cancel the feature. So you press it, the button again, whatever button you have, and it cancels it. What does the end button do? Don't know. But that's how you use an espresso by Breville machine. Read the instructions so you know exactly how to use it. Thanks a lot for watching.